So I bought me a new blow dryer. I needed a blow dryer so bad. And I got this one off Amazon. It's the Revlon blow dryer with the brush. The brush Revlon blow dryer. What is it called? Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Styler. I needed something like this because it be taking me the longest time to blow dry my hair with my old blow dryer, which is right there. It doesn't have a comb on it or nothing. Anyway, I got this from Revlon. I got this from Amazon. I think it was, I never know the prices and stuff, but I think it was like $34. But let's see how this works on my hair. Okay, so I am in love. I love it. This is the best thing that could have ever happened to my hair, like for real. I need to put my ends bad, but this blow dryer here is the bomb. Like, how did I didn't know about this? How? It's the bomb. And I did spray a heat protectant on my hair, which is this. I use this. I got like 2 or 3, but this is the one I'm currently using. So yeah, but I love it. I love it. This is so much easier than the traditional blow dryer. Like, seriously. So much easier. So much better. Let the blow dry this side. But I love it. Okay, y'all, I know I look crazy, but this is what my hair looking like after it's been blow dried. I need to clip my ends bad. I look crazy, but this is life, for real, for real. This blow dryer is everything. Like, it usually takes me almost an hour to blow dry my hair. It didn't take even that. So yeah. So yes, ladies, go get it. I do recommend this blow dryer Revlon from Amazon. I think it was about $35, something like that, $34, something like that. I don't know, but this is, where is it, ladies? Get your house. Nah, but for real, yeah, I do recommend this blow dryer. It's worth the money, so. We could touch the sky. Nothing ever felt so right, girl.